Stow it, unlocking the meaning behind the phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating English phrase, stow it. This is a colloquial expression that you might come across in movies, TV shows, or casual conversations. Let's decode its meaning and learn how to use it correctly. Stow is a verb which means to put something away in a particular place, especially to make it neat or to store it in a compact manner. It's commonly used in contexts like stowing luggage on a plane or packing things away neatly. For example, make sure to stow your bags under the seat in front of you. I stowed the groceries in the pantry. While stow can be used in its literal sense, the phrase stow it has taken on a more figurative meaning in casual English. It's a way to tell someone to stop talking or to be quiet. It's akin to other phrases like zip it or shut it. For example, if someone is constantly complaining, you might hear someone else say, stow it. We've heard enough. In a movie, if a character is revealing a secret loudly, another might whisper, stow it. Someone might hear. It's essential to understand the context and tone when using this phrase. 1. Casual conversations. It's often used among friends or peers in a playful or exasperated tone. However, it can be considered rude if used with strangers or in a formal setting. 2. Familiarity. Ensure you're familiar with the person you're speaking to. Using it with someone you don't know well can come off as disrespectful. 3. Tone matters. The tone can change the meaning from playful to harsh. Ensure you use the right tone for the situation. Stow it has been featured in several English movies and TV shows, especially in comedic or dramatic situations where one character wants another to stop talking. It's these cultural references that have made the phrase more popular and recognized. And there we have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of what stow it means and when to use it. Remember, language isn't just about words but the context and tone in which they're used. Hope this has been a helpful dive into the English language. Keep learning and exploring. See you in the next video.